I'm going to show you how to give feedback to a student in Canvas SpeedGrader using the WebCam option. So what I do is I come into the assignment, go to SpeedGrader, and when this opens, it opens the student's assignments, and I'm going to give feedback to this test student. And so the student has submitted the assignment as a Google Doc. I will click on that to open the assignment, and I look at the student's work in that window there. I can type feedback, but what I'm showing you here is how to give video feedback with the webcam. So we click here on the button that opens the Record Upload Media comment, and you will see that it will open the webcam. And what you do is, it's important, is make eye contact with the student. So look at the camera on your computer so that you're looking at the student when you're ready to start. So I click to start recording. Look at the student. Hi test student, I'm giving you feedback here via video on your I Am From poem. I loved your poem. I loved how you made it personal. You took us home with you and looked to your memories of your early childhood and then later on in life, and really gave us a rich glimpse into your life. Thank you. So I type finish there. I'd probably give more feedback than that, but I just wanted to give you an example of how to do that. Then what you do is you click to, you can name the file, but I'm just going to leave it with the default there, or I can actually name it. Let's name it Test Student Poem Feedback. Let's call it that, and save. Click to save the media. When it does that, you'll notice that it's given the feedback there. You can choose the grade. In this case it will be complete, and what you can do is you can also add a comment. I think I often will give an outline of the feedback. So I'm going to say, hi test, here is a video comment on your poem. I might also summarize the feedback if I want to help remind myself what I said in the feedback, but you don't need to. And then you click submit. So that is a webcam comment feedback to students.